Got leftover coffee creamer? Let's make some desserts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're talking about turning your leftover coffee creamer into incredible desserts. No more pouring that precious creamer down the drain. Let's get this show on the road. Alright folks, first up, we're whipping up some insanely delicious coffee creamer ice cream. I'm telling you, this recipe is so simple, anyone can do it. And the best part? It only requires 4 ingredients. We're talking 2 cups of that leftover coffee creamer, 1 cup of heavy cream, because we like it rich and creamy, half a cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Just throw all these amazing ingredients into a bowl and mix it like you mean it. Once it's nice and combined, pour that creamy goodness into your ice cream maker and let it do its magic. Follow the manufacturer's instructions, and in no time you'll have a batch of homemade ice cream that will blow your mind. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. Pop that ice cream in the freezer for a couple of hours to let it set, and then you're ready to scoop and enjoy. Next up, we're taking things to the breakfast table with some mind-blowing coffee creamer pancakes. I know, it sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. These pancakes are fluffy, flavorful, and oh so easy to make. Grab your mixing bowl and let's get started. We're talking 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of that magical coffee creamer, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. First things first, combine all your dry ingredients in the bowl. Flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients. Coffee creamer, egg, and melted butter. Here comes the fun part. Pour those wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until everything is just combined. Don't overmix it, folks. Lumpy batter is happy batter. Now, heat up your griddle over medium heat and pour 1/4 cup portions of that beautiful batter onto the hot surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Chapter 3. Coffee Creamer Pudding. Smooth, creamy, delicious. Alright, dessert lovers, get ready for some serious pudding perfection. This coffee creamer pudding is so smooth, so creamy, and so ridiculously delicious you'll be licking the bowl clean. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to whip up. Grab a saucepan and let's get cooking. You'll need 2 cups of coffee creamer, half a cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In your saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt until they're well combined. Now, gradually whisk in the coffee creamer, making sure there are no lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the pudding has thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the pudding into individual serving dishes or one large bowl and cover with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Pop that pudding in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until it's nice and chilled. Then grab a spoon and prepare to be amazed. Chapter 4. Coffee Creamer Muffins. Perfect for breakfast or a snack. Last but not least, we're baking up a batch of coffee creamer muffins that will rock your world. These muffins are soft, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. They're perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a muffin tin with paper liners. Now let's gather our ingredients. 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of that wonderful coffee creamer, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the coffee creamer, vegetable oil, egg, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Boom! There you have it, folks. 4 incredible dessert recipes using leftover coffee creamer. Who knew that something so simple could be so versatile and delicious? I had a blast making these recipes with you, and I hope you have just as much fun recreating them in your own kitchens. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes, fun food challenges, and crazy adventures. Until next time, stay sweet, my friends.